July 1940, the mightiest units of the French battle fleet lie at anchor in the peaceful harbor at Oran, Algeria. Will they be surrendered to Germany? Will England allow such a surrender? What will Britain do? The French Admiral Jean Soult is in a desperate position. French crews are tense as a launch from the British battleship Hood is sighted bearing into the harbor. It brings an officer of the Royal Navy who delivers an ultimatum: join us and sail to the West Indies or be destroyed. It is a tragic necessity. Britain must maintain her supremacy on the high seas. Admiral Jean Soult rejects the ultimatum. A blinker flashes his reply: we'll fight. French seamen are called to battle stations by the wail of sirens. Turrets are manned and the ships are cleared for action. The crews rush to position. They will defend themselves if fired upon. And then the British open fire. The roar of naval guns is followed by the crashing explosion of 15-inch shells. The British gun crews 7 miles away get the range. And now begins a devastating rain of high explosive shells as the French ships vainly try to return the fire. The Breton is hit. Her powder magazine goes up in a roaring column of flame and smoke. The great 25,000-ton dreadnought Strasbourg escapes to Toulon, her guns still firing. The Dunkirk is sinking. Death and destruction make a shambles of the once powerful fleet. But it is not France that Britain has struck down. It is Germany. As Winston Churchill sorrowfully proclaimed, it was a melancholy episode forced upon the British Empire. The shores of the harbor are strewn with beached and crippled ships. Only wreckage marks the waters where French naval might floated the day before. Other smaller craft lie at the bottom of Oran Harbor, whose waters are strewn with their wreckage, their crews taken to dinghies, their power useless to the Axis partners. Britain has acted, and the question of a world has been answered.